Good evening, dear student. And now it's 6:45. I think I've already instructed you all that from 10th, your remaining papers internal will be going to be there. And this year, as per Government of Maharashtra and University instruction, whatever the evaluation will be doing, it will be through your or internal 40 marks only. Based on that grades, you guys are going to be evaluated, and entire semester one, as part one, semester two marks will be allotted. Partly they will consider semester one marks and part of the semester two internal marks, and accordingly grade will be provided to them, to all the learners. As meeting has been conducted yesterday, today only I have communicated you what will be the mode of examination. And we were also aware that few topics were remaining. It was, even though theory topic, but still it's very important for us. And I have also taken permission from higher authorities to keep some extra lectures and revision lectures also, because these marks are very critical and important for all of us, because these marks will going to be reflected in our grade card. So if you have any kind of queries, please put on the chat box. I have kept it open. And once again, if at all we'll be having subsequent session also, you have to keep your microphone off as well as video off. That will give the better connectivity, and as far as this WebEx is concerned, it won't be any problem for the time limit. We can have the session more than 40 minutes, which is a hurdle when we use the Zoom platform. So can we recollect what exactly we had completed in corporate finance? Any of you, if you can get me the answers from where we started? No one. Okay. Kindly put your answer through chat box only. What all we studied. If you can get me the answer. अविनाश ने भी भेजा है, वेरी करेक्ट. संजीव फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड डन हो गया है. हाँ ठीक है, बट क्या था वो फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड, आप बता सकते हैं? So if forgot, very good. So that is why, and I was expecting, because if we can recollect this formula based sums on ratio analysis. चलो, very correct. ED, देखो ऐसे सब नाम रखोगे तो बहुत डिफिकल्ट हो जाएगा. यानी find out the future value, present value in time value of money. Very good. Ratio formula, very correct. Or प्लीज आपके माइक्रोफोन को ऑफ रखिए प्लीज. वंस अगेन आई एम टेलिंग ऑल माय डियर स्टूडेंट, मुझे आपके साउंड नहीं सुनने हैं. इट इज नॉट द सेशन विच वी वर हैविंग ऑन केईएस क्लासरूम. यस, प्रिपेयरिंग बैलेंस शीट, वेरी करेक्ट. रिवर्स रेशियो, दर्शन देसाई, वेरी करेक्ट. तो ऐसा सब नाम मत रखना, इफेक्टिव नाम रखना. वैदेही, single cash flow, profit and loss, very correct. Manthan, profit and loss ratio, very correct. Reverse balance sheet, reverse ratio to get the balance sheet and profit and loss. So, first and foremost, are you now equipped with this e-learning, my dear MCOM students? Part 1, semester 2. Because, okay, thank you. Because RM combined ratio, Krishnan, Srijaya Krishnan, no. But you have to adopt beta. There is no other alternative. We have to handle our this things through this mode only, because you must have aware today also. And हमको तो वापस रिवीजन हो गया. अभी कोई बच्चे ने पूरा का पूरा महाराष्ट्र में क्या गवर्नमेंट ने डिसाइड करा है वो सारी चीजें भी बताई. जस्ट नाउ देयर वर सम स्टूडेंट हु वाज टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस. So it has been extended till 30th. Avnish Sharma, no sir, Zoom app difficult very, so would not understand. This app is, yes, that's why I always prefer WebEx. And honestly speaking, for your second year student also, part 2 student also, I have taken their Viva, myself and Kuldeep sir, through this app only. And you won't believe that 35 student Viva, it took almost more than 6 hours. Majority of the time उनको समझाने में गया कि ऐसे आप स्क्रीन शेयर करो, बिकॉज उनको उनका प्रेजेंटेशन था, उनके प्रोजेक्ट जो रिसर्च प्रोजेक्ट थे वो बताने थे. इट टुक लॉट ऑफ टाइम. But I'm very happy. I mean, many of you have turned up with very short notice, and it's very, very important for all of us. So basically, corporate finance. Yes, sir, getting comfortable with this method of learning. Just concentrate about CF. It is practical. Why I'm revising beta? Because of course it is a practical, but it's basically formula based subject. So abhi jo yes, cost of capital and capital structure. Capital structure is purely theory beta. That is already we have finished. And जब cost of capital हो जाएगा, then time value and cost of capital लोगे, that will give you the capital structuring. So that is purely theory. And 20 questions की बात है. अगर आपने ये 3 चैप्टर पे फोकस करा, and कुछ theory questions भी पूछने पड़ेंगे, because the structure of your paper would be only 20 question, and each question will be of 2 marks now, and all could be MCQs. I mean objective questions ही रहेंगे. हो सकता है हम लोग true false use कर पाए, हो सकता है हम लोग fill in the blanks use कर पाए. So why I wanted to recollect these things, because ये सारे chapters जो हमने पढ़े हैं, these all are formula based chapters. And it's very convenient for any teachers when there is a formula based chapter to ask and to fix your to set the papers. Paper set में बहुत easy है. मैं कोई भी difficult, right now also I can ask and you have to get me the answer. What will be the formula of debt service coverage ratio? Debt service coverage ratio. Or I can still ask, what is the formula for future value of annuity? बेटा आप टाइम की चिंता मत करो. कौन है? Who is this? हाँ, 30 minutes is more than sufficient, but it will be a mixture of both type of question. Okay, there will be certain objective question, but there will be some practical question also. Like I'll give you the details of current assets. I'll give you the details of, or I may give you the balance sheet and I'll ask you what is the different balance sheet ratio also. Or I may give you trading profit and loss, and I may ask calculate, and that will be, of course, if there are three ratios, all three will have 2 marks. So are you getting? So whatever the chapters we have, it has a implication. It can be very effectively, and once you have given the exams, we are, I mean, rest all will be taken care by the system. We need not have to assess the paper. System will give us the marks. That is why I wanted to revise things for you all. And if suppose you could not, okay, so then during this COVID period, I have started entire thing putting on online. So if we'll go to the Google, and we will type, this is for the student, www. Dr. Nishikant.com. And if we'll go to the books section, student, Corporate Finance MCOM Part 2. Okay, we'll download here. Entire book is available for you. You can refer. And as Manthan has rightly stated, we have already finished financial management. We have finished time value of money. We have finished ratios. Okay. We have also finished cost of capital. No, cost of capital yet to be done. Okay. And leverages. Am I right? But nothing, you have to just go on Google and put Dr. Nishikant Jha, www. That's a website. And on the website, I have gone to the specific, book section. And from that section, it's very simple. Okay. Yes, cost of capital is also having practical question. I'll teach you now. Don't worry. So this is all you can revise, because now this will be not only two chapters what we had previously. Now the set will be of all four chapters. I'm going to give the weightage. Okay. The question will be there on time value of money. The question will be there on ratios. The question will be there on cost of capital, and the question will be there on leverage. I think for 20 marks, this fourth chapter is more than sufficient. Okay. So once we'll go to the cost of capital, what basically you understand about cost of capital? Anyone who can get me the answer? What basically you understand with cost of capital?
The cost which we incur to form the capital.
Please do not answer here. Put your answer on chat box only. Any example? Any example? Thank you, Kamlesh. Say, for example, no, return on investment is something different. No, 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 no. Okay. Suppose you must have experience. Interest on loan is something different. Okay. Rather, interest on loan, you must have studied partnership final account, and we used to pay certain interest on partners' capital, or there was some interest on proprietors' capital. That also we must have studied. Am I right? Are you aware about interest on partners' capital? It was a item of appropriation. We have also learned interest on proprietors' capital. Yes, yes. So to use those capitals, no, 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 no. Share price, purchase price of shares on investment is not at all to be considered. Okay, but to keep the cost of those shares or investment, I'll come to that. Let us first understand the basic of it. Okay, which we have learned in your undergraduate sessions. Okay, so try to understand what the topic name comprises. Just now we had Discussion. Yes. Cost of capital. So any capital, okay, for any capital, whatever the cost we have involved, okay, to use those capital, don't consider the profit. Okay, don't consider the profit. Profit is not the cost of capital. Profit is inclusive returns for everything for the proprietor and partners. Whatever they are putting, whatever the hard work they are putting, whatever the knowledge they are putting, whatever the, suppose if it is a partnership of a chartered accountant, they are putting their skill, they are putting their degrees. Any wrong things, the degree could have been taken by the CA institute. So not the profit, but the capital what they have invested, the amount what they have invested in to start those business, to operate those business, and on that capital, whatever being the business we are making the payment. Who is that student? मैंने बार बार बोला है switch. He student ना. You must be knowing that. Okay, now it is audible, my dear student. Sorry, but because there was lot of disturbance by other student. Thank you, beta. So you must be aware about that the profit is not the cost of capital. Profit is the entire part which we are paying for the proprietors because they have lost their opportunity cost. They have, it is inclusive cost. But the part what we are paying, as I have rightly mentioned here as an example, that interest on proprietors capital or interest on partners capital is the cost of capital. Similarly, if suppose we have a company like structure, then can you tell me what kind of capital we do expect, dear student? From where we can get the fundings? Through chat box? बच्चे लोग? Like in yes, equity, very correct. Yes, that is what I was debenture, absolutely correct. Abhishek, thank you very much. And with these name only you should enter. जिनेप थैंक यू. शेयर्स, शेयर्स में भी दो टाइप के हो जाएंगे बेटा, आप बता सकते हैं? सो जहां से फंडिंग आते, यस गोविंद. प्रेफरेंस, यस. एंड नो 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 नो, लोन्स इज नॉट अ शेयर. Loan will also be part of, yes. Vidula, very right. Yes, equity and preference. Okay, and loan के terms में क्या हो सकता है? डिबेंचर हो सकता है, टर्म लोन हो सकता है, right? So these are the different capital which we do expect in company, right? It could be debenture also, it could be share also, it could be preference share also, it could be retain earning also. सारी चीजें आ सकती है, सब आ सकती है. इक्विटी आ सकती है. प्रेफरेंस आ सकता है, डिबेंचर्स आ सकता है जिसको डेट बोलते हैं, टर्म लोन आ सकता है, रिटेन अर्निंग आ सकता है, एक्सेट्रा। तो ये सारे डिफरेंट फॉर्म्स हैं थ्रू विच यही होता है। अभी बीच में आएंगे बच्चे, दे विल अननेसेसरी नीदर अंडरस्टैंड नॉर अदर अलाउंग, दे आर नॉट गोइंग टू अलाउ अदर्स टू लर्न आल्सो। ओके, yes, Shivani, kindly mute your microphone. Thank you very much, Abhishek. Yes, you take this kind of care. Thank you, Abhishek. So these are the different forms through which we can create, funding for the companies. Okay, there will be equity, there will be preference, there will be debenture, there will be loan, there will be retain earning, और सबके लिए कुछ ना कुछ कॉस्ट कंपनी वेयर करती है। ओके, लाइक इक्विटी के लिए डिविडेंड पे करती है, प्रेफरेंस के लिए डिविडेंड देती है, डिबेंचर्स के लिए इंटरेस्ट देती है, एम आई राइट? लोन के लिए इंटरेस्ट देती है, रिटेन अर्निंग के लिए भी डिविडेंड देती है। सो दीज आर नॉट ओनली दैट, इफ सपोज वी have any premium on debenture at the time of redemption or premium, that also, if suppose we have issued and there was discount, these are to be considered as a cost of a capital for the company. Okay, so here the cost of capital, when we talk about the company, it has a broader prospect. It is in prospect of equity also, it will be in prospect of debenture also, it could be in prospect of preferencer also, term loan also, and retain earning also. Okay, and every different form has different formulas to calculate their cost. Okay, once again चेक करो किसका चालू है। ये देखो, यही हमने आपको अभी बताया, राइट? दीज आर द कॉस्ट. We have the equity का cost also, we can have the retain earning का cost also, we can have a preferencer का cost also, we can have debenture का cost also. Okay, so now if I will talk what will be the cost of debenture. डिबेंचर को कॉस्ट क्या होगा? द फॉर्मूला इज इंटरेस्ट 1 minus t, that is tax, plus minus e divided by n, and entirely divided by f f plus e divided by 2. This is the formula of cost of debenture. Okay, and any cost is indicated by k. Okay. So the formula is interest one. Acha, now before going further, I would just keep these things in your notebook. What is the formula for cost of debenture? Once again, or cost of debt. Any of these things they may ask. What is the formula? KD ka I 1 minus T plus F minus P upon N, F plus P upon 2. Now, I here indicates interest on debenture, T indicates tax rate, F is redemption price, P is issue price, N is number of years. For how many years we have the debentures, and again the same thing has been repeated. Okay, so once again, I is interest of debenture, T is the tax rate of debenture, F is the redemption price of debenture, P is the issue price of debenture, N is the number of years for which debenture has been issued, and again this will remain same. F is redemption price, P is issue price upon 2. So this is the formula which is there on the page number 162. I'm repeating for you all. Here also in page number 62. This is the formula for cost of debenture. Okay. I'll keep certain question based on this also. Okay. But before that, I would request, can you tell me debt is the cheaper cost of, for the company, or equity is the cheaper cost for company? And student is coming very late. I'm not going to take them now. And they are not keeping equity. Yes, Janeb, I was expecting this answer. Anyone else? Okay, so majority of us, Abhishek, yes. Yes, very correct. Because this is the perception of ours, where we have learned that on equity, no, not equally, beta, not equally. Not equally. It's not partnership. Okay. Uh, it is basically stated till now that on equity share, nothing to do with equally. Okay, Abhishek? It is learned by all of us that on equity, we give the dividend if there is a profit. That is why we always consider that equity is the cheapest source of finance, and as compared to debentures or debt or term loan, which is a myth, which is absolutely wrong answer. Okay, now you must be expecting कि हाँ सर आ गए क्लास में. This is, and मैं जान के आप लोग से error करवाता हूँ. Okay, now why equity is not the cheapest source of finance for the corporate? Now you recollect your company final account. In company final account, we pay the dividend to the equity holder from net profit after tax. Am I right? Whereas debenture interest are paid from net profit before tax. Am I right? Any doubt? याद करो. For equity dividend or preference dividend, आप लोग appropriation account में देते थे. And appropriation profit is what? Profit after tax. Whereas debenture interest हम लोग कहाँ डेबिट करते थे? PNL में करते थे. Okay. So in debenture, we get the tax benefit. Okay. But in equity, we cannot get the tax benefit. Understand? Suppose there is 15% debenture. of 10 lakhs for the company. And there are e- equity share also with the same value of 10 lakh. And we propose equity dividend at the rate of 15%. Now you realize why this topic is so very important, because all of you have given wrong answer. Now what we found, the debenture is of 10 lakhs, equity is of 10 lakhs. Now debenture, what is the cost of debenture for us? Anyone? What will be the cost? Absolutely right, Abhishek. 1.5 lakh, 1 lakh 50,000. Okay. And what about equity? What about equity? Same, right? But for me, debenture ka cost as a company, if I'm taking, let us assume, if not given, let tax rate be 50%, then what will happen? The cost of debenture or debt will be only 75,000, whereas cost of equity will be 1,50,000. Did you understand? Because see, if we'll take the interest on debenture, PNL debit, ये मैं कहाँ लिख रहा हूँ? To interest on debenture, like these are the item of, suppose मैंने profit and loss account बनाया, okay? उसके नीचे ही आएगा ना interest on debenture. And then there will be provision for tax. अगर मैं 50% लिया तो मेरे को टैक्स कितना लग जाएगा इसका? 70, मैंने टैक्स पे कर दिया इसको. सो मेरा कॉस्ट कितना आया? 50% अगर हमने एज अ कॉर्पोरेट टैक्स पे किया, सो कॉस्ट फॉर द कंपनी will be only 75,000, because 75,000 तो हमने टैक्स भरा है. Did you understand? So this is the basic difference between cost of equity and cost of debt or cost of debenture. So equity is never cheapest source of finance. Rather, debentures are the cheapest source of finance. But debentures are loaners. They had many advantages. If you not see in equity, you have a benefit. If there is no profit, you cannot declare dividend. Chalta hai. Like now in the COVID period, many of the corporate may not pay the dividend to their shareholders. That is why you must have seen the share prices and share market is going down, 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 down. This is the basic reason. Okay, no more trader is very much interested to buy the shares. Why? Because they are knowing that the company is not going, because since last 2.5 months there is no production, there is no sales, there is no income, there is no so much of income, then definitely there won't be any surplus profit. And if there is no profit, there won't be any dividend. But that they cannot play with debentures. Debentures they have to pay. If they will not pay, then it will accumulate. Next year they have to pay. Not next year, next to next year. So debentures are secured loan for the corporate, for the company, and their liability is fixed liability for the company. They have to pay off. They cannot escape themselves. Whereas equity, once there will be a profit, then only they'll pay. But if we'll talk the cost of equity, that is higher than that of cost of dividend, cost of debenture interest, or cost of debt. Okay, I hope you must have understood debt is the cheapest source of finance or equity is the cheapest source of finance. Okay, that has been discussed several times in the class also. Always for the company, debt is the cheapest source of finance as compared to equity. Okay, because equity dividend or preference dividend is paid from net profit after tax, whereas for debt it is paid from net profit before tax. So you are gaining the tax benefit. So that cost is becoming whatever the tax rate. Just now, I mean, till now we have assumed that if it is not given, always assume tax rate is 50%. That is why my assumption was also 50%. Okay. Now let us come back to, now I hope you must have understood the concept why we are learning cost of capital. Can I have your answer on chat box, please? Thank you. Okay. Now let us go again back for the chapter where we were discussing about cost of debt. Thank you everyone, thank you. Understood. कुछ बच्चों ने लिख दिया, मतलब समझ में आ रहा है. And once again मैं आपको लेक्चर में भी पूछता था, अभी भी पूछ रहा हूँ. Of course, even we are also not very happy with this system. Thank you everyone, thank you बच्चा लोग. But still there is no option. हमको ऐसे ही अभी पढ़ाई करनी पड़ेगी. And आपको पता है ये पढ़ाई बहुत ही प्रेसियस है हमारे लिए, बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है हमारे लिए. इसके लिए मैं अभी का जितने भी सेशंस ले रहा हूँ उसका रिकॉर्डिंग करूंगा और वो मैं अपने यूट्यूब लिंक पे भेज दूंगा, शेयर कर दूंगा आपको. ठीक है. और वहां से जिन बच्चों ने, हो सकता है मेनी ऑफ यू आर वर्किंग एंड वर्क फ्रॉम होम में आपको अभी कोई असाइनमेंट मिला हो, तो सब्सिक्वेंटली यू कैन go to the link and study for your exam preparation. Okay, am I right? Yes or no? I want the answer बच्चा लोग जिन्होंने मिस कर दिया, क्योंकि अभी सिर्फ 38 बच्चे दिख रहे हैं. हेलो, गुड इवनिंग.
11 12 થઈ ગયું ને તારું ELE અહીંયા લો 3LEVEN 11 you want to TWEL VE 13 जो THIR to
Bhavesh Naik, kindly switch off. Thank you, bacha log. So now everything will be recorded, and if the student could not able to attend the session, they can refer later on. Okay. Now let us go back where we were. We had. याद है? ये. What was the cost of debt? What it was? Cost of debt. Debt or debenture. है ना? इसी का फॉर्मूला था. आपको दिखाया था, which is there on your textbook, page number 162. So they will give you what was the, that is why this tax has been taken into place. Okay. And what will be the redemption price? Everything will be given in the question. What will be the number of years for which debentures has been issued? Okay. And then you have to get me the answer. So now let us practice. I have asked you to get your notebook. Okay. So this is the question for all of us. I hope you must have seen the screen. Ajax Limited has recently made an issue of non-convertible debenture of 400 lakhs. The term of issue is as follows. Each debenture has a face value of 100 rupees, carries a rate of interest 14%, interest payable annually. Okay, ठीक है. The debentures is redeemable at 5% premium after 10 years. The Ajax Limited realized 97 per debenture and the corporate tax rate is 50%. I told you, most of the time they will always assume tax rate as 50%. So what will be the cost of debenture to the company? What will be the KD now here? KD will be, what is the interest? Interest क्या अपना debenture interest? So debenture interest is given as 14%. Okay. 1 minus tax rate. What is the tax rate? 0.50. 50%. Plus so आप चाहिए तो आप notebook में लिखो and I want your answer. Okay. Plus what is the redemption price? So redemption price is 5%. So what is redemption price? 105. Okay. Redemption price less issue price. Issue price कितना है बेटा? 97. Divide by number of years. Number of years कितना है? 10. And entirely divide by पूरा का पूरा divide कितने से करना है? वापस 105 plus 97 whole divide by 2. Get me the answer. बताइए आंसर आ रहा है आप लोगों को? $7.7 Janik, Manthan, only two got me the answer. Yes. Kashyap also got me the right answer. है ना? Yes. That is why I've asked you to again come with your notebook, your calculator, and that is how we are going to practice. Am I right? Very correct. Thank you. Thank you, Darshan. Now, let us go to the next question. Lakshmi Enterprises wants to have non-convertible debenture of 10 crores. Each debenture is of a par value of 100, having interest rate 15, interest payable annually. They are redeemable after 8 years at a premium of 5%. The company is planning to issue non-convertible debentures at a discount of 3% to help the quick subscription. If the tax rate is 50%, what is the cost of debenture? Get me the KD. What will be the KD? I will not write anything. You have to do it with your own. Thank you, Arvin. Arvin. Yes. Jainip. Others, please be quick. Manthan, right? ये 5-6 बच्चे ही जैसे क्लास में आंसर देते थे आज भी वही है. Why not others? Abhishek, thank you. Darshan, भावेश, नाइक. अभी कल से आप लोग आपका नेम के हिसाब से पारुल कश्यप के हिसाब से एंट्री करोगे तो मेरे लिए भी अच्छा रहेगा थोड़ा, है ना? वेरी करेक्ट. चलो 5-6 बच्चों ने आंसर दे दिया. नाउ लेट अस मूव टू द नेक्स्ट कंसेप्ट. कॉस्ट ऑफ टर्म लोन. कॉस्ट ऑफ टर्म लोन, उसमें क्या हो जाएगा? ये सारी चीजें निकल जाएगी. उसको क्या लिखेंगे? के टी. आपका एटी केटी वाला केटी नहीं. हियर केटी मीन्स कॉस्ट ऑफ टर्म लोन. I1 minus T. Okay. I is rate of interest. T is tax rate. Okay. And with that, we can easily calculate what is the cost of. Term loan. I'm not audible. Okay. And the next question is this. Yes Limited has taken a loan of 50 lakhs from Canara Bank at 9% interest. What is the cost of term loan if the tax rate is 40%? So get me the answer. Remove everything. Now it is audible. 5.4, 5.4, 5.4. Very correct. Now let us go for cost of preference capital. Okay. So cost of preference capital is, thank you, thank you. Now I am getting more students who are getting me the answer. Okay, thank you very much. Okay. Now the next is, very correct, very correct. Cost of preference है. अभी हम लोग क्या करेंगे? Thank you अंकित तिवारी. Thank you very much बेटा. Cost of preference है. KP. So KP में क्या होता है? इंटरेस्ट नहीं होता बेटा, प्रेफरेंस डिविडेंड होता है. ओके, प्रेफरेंस डिविडेंड. ओके, इंटरेस्ट वाला एस्पेक्ट हट जाएगा एंड रेस्ट विल रिमेन एज इट इज. ओके, जो यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है मैं वही लिख रहा हूँ. प्रेफरेंस डिविडेंड. So for your reference, you write, because we are going to use the equity dividend also. So we will use ED, and for preference dividend, we are going to use PD. Okay. So preference dividend, again, F means redemption price, P is issue price, N is number of years. Sorry, मैंने enter ही नहीं किया. I'm so sorry. Okay, like this. So the cost of preference here is going to be denoted as KP. Preference dividend, F is redemption price, P is issue price, N is number of years, and again F is redemption price. And P is issue price divided by 2. Okay. Only Kashyap को नहीं सुनाई दे रहा है. बाकी rest all other student, are you able to hear me? Yeah, everyone is. So you better log out and log in बेटा. सब बाकी बच्चों को perfect चल रहा है. अब देखो जरा please. Okay, so बच्चे लोग, so where we were dealing with cost of preference here. Okay. देखो बेटा, तुम्हारा क्या पंगा है. हाँ. So what it was? Preference dividend plus redemption price of preference share minus issue price of preference shares divided by number of years for which preference share has been issued divided by again redemption price of preference share plus issue price of preference share divided by 2. Okay, again क्वेश्चन में सारी चीजें दे रहेगी बेटा. आपको पूरा का पूरा वैल्यू पुट अप करना है इस फॉर्मूला में and cost of preference बताना है. I hope you are going to get me the answer for question number 4. Yes. Not solution. No solution. Okay. So are you able to see the question number 4? Okay. Question goes like this. The term of preference share issued made by Color Dye Chem are as follows. Each preference share has a face value of 100, carries a dividend rate of 14%, payable annually, and shares are redeemable after 12 years at par. Keep in mind, if the net amount realized is 95, what will be the cost of preference share? Get me the cost of preference share. You want me to answer? Okay. So what was the preference dividend here? 14%. Okay. Yes, we started getting answer. And why? Okay, okay, very correct. जो नोटबुक लेके बैठा रहेगा वो फटाफट फटाफट एंड नोटबुक कैलकुलेटर के साथ रहेगा, दे कैन गेट मी द आंसर. कुछ नहीं करना है, सारे वैल्यूज फॉर्मूला पे पुट अप कीजिए, immediately you'll get the answer. And what is the formula? What is the formula? Formula is this: preference dividend plus, क्यों बच्चे लोग बाहर चले जाते हैं यार, preference dividend plus redemption price of preference minus issue price of preference share divided by number of years for which preference share has been issued divided by redemption price of preference share plus issue price of preference share upon 2. आ गया आंसर. Let us see whether this answer is correct or not. Yes, the right answer is 14.8. Are you enjoying this learning? All dear student, I want your answer in chat box. Thank you, Bhavika. Thank you, Manthan. Thank you, Abhishek. Thank you, Siddiqui. Thank you, Sejal. Thank you, Junip. Thank you, अरविंद. बाप रे बाप, बहुत सारे. अरे वाह वाह, वेलकम सर. अभिषेक, मतलब वहां से ज्यादा मजा आ रहा है आप लोग को. श्रद्धा, वाह बच्चा लोग. और हमें भूले तो नहीं है आप लोग? थैंक यू बेटा, थैंक यू वेरी मच. अभी यही है कि खाली तुम लोग की बातें, अगर मैं वो अलाउ करूंगा ना तो पढ़ाना बहुत डिफिकल्ट हो जाएगा. आई एम सॉरी, बट प्लीज यही मेथड से अगर पढ़ेंगे तो आपको ज्यादा बेनिफिशियल रहेगा. सी, मेरे पास सारे चीज ओपन है. मैं चैट बॉक्स भी देख रहा हूँ, मैं पार्टिसिपेंट अगर बाहर जा रहा है उसको एंट्री भी दे रहा हूँ. थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर योर कोऑपरेशन बच्चा लोग. So now let us go for the next question, and I'm damn sure you are going to get me the answer. C2C Limited has recently come out with the preference share issue to the tune of 100 lakhs. Each preference share has a face value of 100 and dividend of 12% payable. The shares are redeemable after 10 years at a premium of 4 per share. Company hopes to realize 98 per share. Calculate the cost of preference share. Get me the answer. Question number 5. Again, for that, the formula what we are going to use is this only. Oh, Kamlesh first, then Abhishek. Others, I want few more answers. Manthan, very correct. Vidhi, very correct. Darshan, Ragini. So I hope, let us see. Yes, you all are right. The right answer is yes. Thank you, bachcha log. Now, if we will go to the cost of equity, the formula is equity dividend divided by price of equity plus G. G means growth rate. Okay. So the formula for equity cost या cost of equity is the dividend on equity divided by price on equity plus growth rate, and everything will be given in the question. Once again, dividend on equity divided by price on equity plus growth rate. Okay, dividend on equity divided by price on equity plus growth rate. Okay, now everything is there in the question number 6. Get me what is the cost of equity? Manthan is right. Jenny, Kamlesh, Vidhi, अभिषेक, यस कुछ बच्चे हैं, दर्शन, उनका भी आंसर के लिए मैं रुका रहता हूँ. रागिनी, थैंक यू बच्चा. Let us see whether the answer is right. Yes, you all were right. 17.6%. Okay, now let us go to the next. अच्छा, तुम लोग कॉपी वॉपी तो नहीं कर रहे हो? वैसे भी इसका बुक तो बहुत कम जनों के पास था, तो कॉपी इज नॉट पॉसिबल. चलो, कॉपी नहीं हो रहा है ना? Are you doing seriously, solving through calculator and getting me the answer? कुसुम, रागिनी, दर्शन, भरोसा है रे बाबा. अरे क्या यार? नहीं नहीं नहीं, तुम लोग पे ज्यादा भरोसा है, डोंट वरी. बीच बीच में थोड़ा मस्ती नहीं करता हूँ तो क्लास का फीलिंग नहीं आता, तुमको पता है ना मेरा. ठीक, वेरी करेक्ट. चल, so now let us do the next question. Suraj Metals are expected to declare a dividend. Not required now, Kamlesh. You go to the site, you will find everything I have uploaded. Almost many of book I have uploaded, and few more I am going to upload in due course. But yours I have done it. जो required था TY वाले सब मैंने upload कर दिए. Suraj Metals are expected to declare a dividend of 5%, 5 per share, sorry. The growth rate of dividend is expected at the rate of 10%. And if the price of share is 110, what will be the cost of equity? What will be the cost of equity? Yes, 14.54, 14.54, 14.54. Is right answer. Okay. Thank you everyone. The one, so हमने क्या क्या देखा? Cost of debt देख लिया, cost of term loan देख लिया, cost of preference देख लिया, cost of equity देख लिया. आप बता सकते हैं what is left out? हमने आपको सिखाया था ना what are the different capital for a corporate. इसमें से अभी क्या बाकी रह गया? कॉस्ट ऑफ डेट और डिबेंचर हमने देख लिया, कॉस्ट ऑफ टर्म लोन हमने देख लिया, कॉस्ट ऑफ प्रेफरेंस हमने देख लिया, कॉस्ट ऑफ इक्विटी हमने देख लिया. व्हाट इज लेफ्ट? एनीवन ऑफ यू कैन गेट मी द आंसर? Yes, retain earning. There was a question why the answer is in percentage, because that is the cost to be calculated in percentage only. Otherwise क्या बोलोगे? 14 रुपया 54 पैसे. So in totality, it should be in, yes, I was expecting. So that is denominated as KR, and KR is equal to nothing but KE. तो जो भी कॉस्ट ऑफ इक्विटी रहेगा बेटा, वही आपको कॉस्ट ऑफ रिटेन अर्निंग लेना है. जो आपका कॉस्ट ऑफ इक्विटी रहेगा, that will be your cost of retain earning. Okay. So all are done now. Okay, cost of debt is over, cost of term loan is over, cost of preference share is over, cost of equity is there, that is over, cost of retained earning is over. So all these are the different cost of capital which we have learned in today's session till now. Okay, can anybody get me anything left out of this? No. So then there might be possibilities which is known as, ये तो हम लोगों ने individual cost देखा बेटा. Now there could be the possibility of weighted average cost of capital. क्या बोलते हैं? Weighted average cost of capital. सर हम लोगों ने प्रेफरेंस को इतना दिया, के लिए इतना कॉस्ट इनकर किया, इक्विटी के लिए इतना किया, डेट के लिए इतना किया, टर्म लोन के लिए इतना किया, बट व्हाट इज द एवरेज कॉस्ट? ये सारे कैपिटल को पूरा मेंटेन करने के लिए कंपनी को टोटल कॉस्ट कितना लगा? व्हाट इज द वेटेड एवरेज? फॉर विच वी नीड टू लर्न एंड अंडरस्टैंड वेटेड एवरेज कॉस्ट ऑफ कैपिटल. This is done. Cost of retained earning is equal to cost of equity. हो गया सर. Now we are learning weighted average cost of capital. So how we will get the weighted average cost of capital? First you need to calculate the weight. अभी cost आपने ढूंढ लिया सबका. Okay. What is cost of equity? What is cost of retained earning? And सबको उसके weight से multiply करना है. Suppose you have 10 lakhs of capital, total capital structure, and 10 lakhs में equity 5 लाख है, preference 2 लाख है ना? 10 लाख का स्ट्रक्चर ऐसा है. इक्विटी सपोज 3 लाख ले लेता हूं. प्रेफरेंस 2 लाख. रिटेन अर्निंग and डिबेंचर फोर लाख. टर्म लोन 1 लाख. तो मुझे बता सकते हो व्हाट इज द वेट ऑफ इक्विटी, व्हाट इज द वेट ऑफ प्रेफरेंस, व्हाट इज द वेट ऑफ रिटेन अर्निंग, what is the weight of debenture in total capital structure of the company? We had a capital of 10 lakhs. Out of that, 3 lakhs comprises of equity, 2 lakhs comprises of preference, 1 lakh comprises of retain earning, 4 lakh comprises of debentures, and 1 lakh comprises of term loan. सबके वेट्स बताओ. इक्विटी का वेट कितना है, प्रेफरेंस का वेट कितना है, डिबेंचर्स का कितना है, एंड टर्म लोन का कितना है. वेरी सिंपल बेटा. वेट मतलब पूरे 10 लाख में इक्विटी का कंपेयर पार्ट कितना है. सो वेट ऑफ इक्विटी विल बी 30%. यस, यही मैं पूछ रहा हूं ना. इक्विटी कितना है? 30% है. और कहाँ चला गया यार बाकी सब? लाइकवाइज मैंने इसलिए 10 लाख से लिया था. यस, 30% इक्विटी, 20% preference, 10% retain earning, 40% debentures, and 1% term loan. Very correct. So इसलिए मैंने 10 लाख का एग्जाम्पल लिया था आपको. उसका वेट्स ढूंढना है. तो जब आपको सबके वेट आ गए, वेट ऑफ इक्विटी आ गया, वेट ऑफ, अब जितने भी कैपिटल रहेंगे आपके पास, उनके पहले वेट ढूंढ लो, ठीक है। क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करोगे, ये तो मैंने 10 का दिया, अगर 12.5 लाख रहता तो आप कंपेयर करते थे कितना परसेंटेज है वो। ओके, उनका वेट निकालना है एंड उसको मल्टीप्लाई करना है उसके कॉस्ट से। ओके, सो यानी वेटेड एवरेज कॉस्ट ऑफ कैपिटल इज, ये दिया हुआ देखो, वेट ऑफ इक्विटी इंटू कॉस्ट ऑफ इक्विटी प्लस वेट ऑफ रिटेन अर्निंग इंटू कॉस्ट ऑफ रिटेन अर्निंग प्लस वेट ऑफ प्रेफरेंस इंटू कॉस्ट ऑफ प्रेफरेंस प्लस वेट ऑफ डिबेंचर इंटू कॉस्ट ऑफ डिबेंचर प्लस वेट ऑफ टर्म लोन इंटू कॉस्ट ऑफ टर्म लोन। सबको उसके वेट से मल्टीप्लाई कर दो, विल बी योर वेटेड एवरेज कॉस्ट ऑफ कैपिटल। वेरी सिंपल। ओके, इज दिस ओके? ये देखो यहाँ है फॉर्मूला आपका। यस, थैंक यू। सो आपको क्या करना है, सबके कॉस्ट मैंने अभी सिखाया कैसे कैलकुलेट करना है, उसको उसके वेट से मल्टीप्लाई करना है। ओके, सबको वेट ऑफ इक्विटी इंटू कॉस्ट ऑफ इक्विटी, वेट ऑफ रिटेन कॉस्ट ऑफ रिटेन प्लस वेट ऑफ रिटेन अर्निंग प्लस कॉस्ट ऑफ रिटेन अर्निंग प्लस वेट ऑफ प्रेफरेंस इंटू कॉस्ट ऑफ प्रेफरेंस प्लस वेट ऑफ डिबेंचर इंटू कॉस्ट ऑफ डिबेंचर प्लस वेट ऑफ टर्म लोन इंटू कॉस्ट ऑफ टर्म लोन। ऐसा जरूरी नहीं कि सारे के सारे रहे, सपोज मेरे कैपिटल स्ट्रक्चर में टर्म लोन नहीं है तो ये एक्सक्लूड हो जाएगा बेटा, और इनके वेट से हम लोग वेटेड एवरेज कॉस्ट ऑफ कैपिटल निकाल लेंगे। इज दिस क्लियर? आई वांट आंसर इन चैट बॉक्स। अदर्स, कमलेश, अभिषेक, हाँ ऐसे 5-10 बच्चे तो लिखो कम से कम। यस, थैंक यू बेटा, थैंक यू वेरी मच। सो नाउ वी विल डू द फुल लेंथ क्वेश्चन। सो वहां आपको कॉस्ट भी ढूंढना है, वहां आपको वेट भी ढूंढना है, एंड आपको मुझे वेटेड एवरेज कॉस्ट ऑफ कैपिटल ढूंढ के बताना है। ओके, सो here is the question for you, question number 12. I know it will take some time, so get me the answer. Question number 12, do it with your own. Find out their weights. Okay, so can you tell me what will be the weight of equity? This is 200 lakhs, 100 lakhs, 100 lakhs, 300 lakhs and 50 lakhs. Total is 750 lakhs. So क्या करेंगे? 200 lakhs divided by 750 into 100 will be the weight of equity. 100 divided by 750 into 100. Yes. Likewise, every का वेट निकाल लो, हर एक एलिमेंट ऑफ कैपिटल ये आप वेट निकाल लो, एंड यहाँ पे डिटेल दिया है उसका कॉस्ट निकालने के लिए। फाइंड आउट देयर कॉस्ट। यस, 200 divided by 750 into 100 is 26.67. 100 divided by 750 into 100. 100 divided by 750 into 100. So ये जो आपने 13.3, so आपका कॉस्ट ऑफ इक्विटी कितना हो गया बेटा? अभी जो आपने बताया, you got the cost of equity is 0.26. yes, आपका कॉस्ट वेट ऑफ प्रेफरेंस क्या हो गया? चल, डब्ल्यू कैपिटल होगा, वेट ऑफ प्रेफरेंस यस। लाइकवाइज सारे वेट निकल गए, यहाँ पे दिया व्हाट इज द मार्केट प्राइस ऑफ इक्विटी शेयर, तो सारे वेट निकल गए आपके पास, ठीक है। वेरी गुड। नाउ market price of equity share is 32. Company is expected to declare a dividend of 2 per share. Growth is 10% for next 5 years. What will be the cost of equity? Get me the KE. KE क्या आएगा बताओ? ओके फाइन, उसी तरह दिया हुआ है, प्रेफरेंस शेयर आर redeemable at a premium of 5% after 8 year, currently traded at 84. What will be the cost of preference share? Get me the KP. So जो KE निकाल लिया वो रख लो, वेट ऑफ इक्विटी जो निकाल लिया वो रख लो, इसी तरह प्रेफरेंस का वेट जो निकाल के रखा वो रखो, अभी प्रेफरेंस का आपने जो कॉस्ट निकाला वो रखो। ओके 17.59, ठीक है, ये हो गया आपका केपी। द नेक्स्ट डिटेल इज व्हाट? नेक्स्ट डिटेल इज गिवन लाइक debentures are redeemable. Debenture redemption will take place after 7 years at a premium of 5 per debenture and current market price is 90. If the corporate tax rate is 40%, what is the cost of debenture? Get me the cost of debenture. So now just check. टर्म लोन का तो खाली जो ये और रेट टैक्स है 40% पे 11 का निकाल लो तो टर्म लोन का हो जाएगा। सिमिलरली गेट मी द कॉस्ट ऑफ टर्म लोन। Now verify your answer. Was your cost of equity 16.25? Get me the answer. Was your preference 17.59? And KE is same value, retain earning का भी आएगा, cost of डिबेंचर 96 मैंने देखा, कॉस्ट ऑफ टर्म लोन 6.6, सबने ये लिखा है। सो ऑल आंसर्स वर करेक्ट। सो समझ में आया? दिस इज कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव क्वेश्चन विच इज नोन एज वेटेड एवरेज कॉस्ट ऑफ कैपिटल। अभी इनको इनके वेट के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करो एंड प्लस करते जाओ, सबके वेट आपके पास है, सबको मल्टीप्लाई करो एंड गेट मी द वेटेड एवरेज कॉस्ट ऑफ कैपिटल, दिस आंसर। Yes, one answer I got. Thank you very much. And you all were right. So with this is over. इसका प्रैक्टिस करो, वैसे ही कॉस्ट दिए हुए हैं, ठीक है? देखो वही कॉलेज की तरह ही हुआ, प्रैक्टिस करो। Then you want me to take lecture tomorrow or day after? More or less we have covered everything tomorrow. बट आप लोग प्रैक्टिस कर पाएंगे क्या? अभी कैपिटल स्ट्रक्चर डिसीजन में भी देखो यही है, दोनों चीज मिक्स है। दिस इज मोर ऑफ थियरी, डे आफ्टर ये दैट इज व्हाट। नहीं हो सकता ना बेटा, बहुत सारे होमवर्क है। अच्छा, कैपिटल स्ट्रक्चर के लिए ना मुझे थोड़ा आपको लेवरेजेस सिखाना पड़ेगा। तो लेवरेज और कॉस्ट ऑफ कैपिटल आप सीख जाएंगे तो कैपिटल स्ट्रक्चर आ जाएगा। वापिस पूछ रहा है टेक्स्ट बुक का, अरे गधेड़ा। हाँ हाँ, थैंक यू बेटा, थैंक यू थैंक यू। हाँ, अभिषेक सिखा रहा है तुमको, गो एंड गेट इट। वंस अगेन आई एम हेल्पिंग यू ऑल। मैंने क्या किया था ना, कुछ नहीं किया था, मैं गया गूगल में, ठीक है, वापस आप लोग बच्चों के लिए सिखा देता हूँ। वहां पे मैंने बोला कि भाई मुझे WW, या तो फिर आप ऐसे लिखो ना, डॉक्टर श्रीकांत, अच्छा ऐसे एंटर करोगे तो गूगल दिखाएगा आपको। राइट, पहला ही मेरा दिखाएगा। इस लिंक में जाना है, वो आपको मेरे वेबसाइट पे लेके जाएगा। ठीक है, वेबसाइट से आपको बुक सेक्शन में जाना है। ठीक है, रिसर्च वगैरह आपके काम का नहीं है, ब्लॉग पढ़ना है तो ब्लॉग पढ़ लो एंड ऑल। बुक पे जाओ, इट विल कंप्राइज ऑल द बुक्स। ठीक है, और इसमें मैंने आपका थोड़ा पहले का है, पेज नंबर 2 पे जाएंगे। ये रहा कॉर्पोरेट फाइनेंस, तो डाउनलोड कीजिए तो मिल जाएगा। यहीं से गए थे हम लोग। ठीक है, नाउ वन मोर थिंग which I would like to mention here. All my Facebook, Twitter, and all details are there. But for you, which is important is YouTube. That only will take you to the YouTube site of mine. Here we have everything: amalgamation, we have HRM, we have many research things we have. Okay, आज के भी सेशन में अपलोड कर दूंगा, so you can go to the YouTube and have the session. इसके पहले के जो भी सेशन मैंने लिए हैं वो सारी चीजें हैं इस पे। So everything you'll find over there. So one platform for all the solutions. Okay, कुछ नहीं करना है, आप गूगल में मेरा नाम टाइप करोगे, मेरे वेबसाइट पे लेके, ये सारी चीज हम कर रहे हैं बच्चों के लिए, और सारे बुक्स हैं, मैंने बुक्स आ दे। ओके, हाँ, आपके इंटरनल्स में सारों चारों आएंगे बेटा, बट कैपिटल स्ट्रक्चर मोर ऑफ थेरेटिकल है। ये तीन में तो बहुत बहुत इंपॉर्टेंस देना पड़ेगा आपको। फर्स्ट, सेकेंड एंड थर्ड इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। बट वो एक लेक्चर और मैं सिखा दूंगा ताकि आपको कैपिटल स्ट्रक्चर समझ में आए, दैट विल बी रिलेटेड टू लेवरेजेस। So can we sign off? So be at home, be safe, uh, do all the practice, follow all the instruction given by the government, be like a good citizen and study well, perform best in your exam. Thank you, Vita. Thank you very much. These kind words is definitely going to encourage us. And इस मोमेंट में भी हम लोग चाहते हैं कि आप बच्चों को हेल्प करें, आपको पढ़ाई करें। थैंक यू बेटा लोग, थैंक यू वेरी मच। यस, यही एनकरेजिंग वर्ड हम लोगों को सिखाती है आप लोगों को कैसे। अरे वो पहले भी होता था मंथन, ऐसा मत बोले यार, वो ज्यादा मस्ती वाला रहता था, यहाँ भी हमने एंजॉय किया। थैंक यू एवरीवन, एंड आई एक्सपेक्ट अगर कुछ बच्चों का मिस हो गया है तो आप उन बच्चों तक ये सेशंस को लेके जाएंगे एंड उनको भी सिखाएंगे और आप खुद भी सीखेंगे। ओके, थैंक यू। Be at home, be safe. Bye.